In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. First, let's talk about what a favicon is. A favicon, or favorite icon, is that tiny image displayed at the top of your browser tab next to your website title. It's a small but significant detail that enhances your website's professionalism and brand recognition. Adding a favicon is a straightforward process on Squarespace, and today I'll walk you through this step by step. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard of your site. From here, your first destination is the Settings section. This is where the journey to adding your favicon begins. The Settings can easily be found as one of the primary options in your Squarespace dashboard. It's essentially the control room for your website, where you can adjust everything from basic information to more advanced configurations. Once you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to focus on your website's details specifically. So you'll look for and click on the option labeled Website. This is where Squarespace consolidates all settings related to your site's overall appearance and functionality. It's kind of like fine-tuning a car to get the performance you want. Here you're adjusting your website to better suit your style and needs. Within the website settings, you'll find various options, including one for your favicon, aptly titled Favicon. Clicking on this will take you to the section dedicated to uploading and managing your site's favicon. It's interesting to note how Squarespace keeps this process intuitive by labeling everything clearly, making it easy for users of all skill levels to navigate their platform. Now let's get to the fun part, uploading your favicon. When you click on favicon, you'll be prompted to upload the icon file from your computer. Keep in mind, a good favicon is typically a simplified version of your logo or a symbol that represents your brand. The file should be a square, ideally 100x100 pixels, and in one of the following formats: .png, .jpg, or .gif. Also, remember, despite the small size, this little icon plays a big role in how your website is perceived, so choose wisely. After selecting and uploading your favicon file, the only thing left to do is save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. By clicking Save, you're not only storing the modifications you've just made, but also making your brand new favicon live. It's like the cherry on top of your website's aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Squarespace website. It might seem like a small addition, but it's these little details that can significantly enhance your website's look, feel, and professionalism. Plus, it improves your brand's recognition, making it easier for users to identify your site among their many browser tabs. Now, I'd like to encourage you to give it a try yourself. Go through these steps, experiment with different favicon designs, and see how it transforms the appearance of your website in browser tabs. Remember, it's these small touches that can make a big difference in how your site is perceived. Lastly, don't hesitate to revisit the settings anytime you feel like updating your site, including your favicon. Squarespace's platform is designed to be user-friendly, empowering you to keep your site fresh and aligned with your evolving brand identity. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're now equipped to customize your website further. Keep exploring, keep tweaking, and most importantly, keep creating. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Squarespace tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.